It is a sea of dipshits out there. It is hard to do what you have done already, but you didn't come this far to come this far. You have a responsibility to take it further because it is doable, because you can. You have a responsibility to thrive. You have a responsibility to adapt. You have a responsibility to create impact, to be a role model, to evolve, to be intentional, to create wealth. Think about that for a second. A responsibility to create wealth. Many of you, and again, I've done this for a long time, guys, so I'm gonna take a lot of liberty up here. I don't wanna paint you with too broad a brush, but this is not my first rodeo. I can tell you, the vast majority of us confuse income with wealth. You make a lot of money, you are not wealthy. Wealth is when you get your money making you money, is when you don't have to show up, is when, whether that's in business, whether that is because, hey, I got 100 grand showing up in passive income out of my real estate holdings every month, whatever it looks like, that is wealth. Wealth is the control of time. I get to do whatever I want to do every day. That is being wealthy. Wealth is creating impact in the world. Wealth is getting to choose to make a difference in the world. Wealth is, and I say this intentionally several times, wealth is getting to do things, not having to do things. And there is a massive difference. Most of us have to do certain things when it comes to our business. Imagine putting yourself in a position where you get to do those things. You don't have to do anything. It's a choice. Whether I do it or not, we're gonna make just as much money. This is fun. This is because this just lights me up. That's wealth. And that is your responsibility because it is doable. If I go speak in front of a room of a bunch of people who have never started a business, I can't do this in front of them because they have no concept of what the hell I'm even talking about. I'm talking to a group of professionals who understand that they are different, who understand fundamentally they are meant to do more. And when you start framing it that you have a responsibility to do that, things will start changing real quick.